In that tutorial, you are going to learn how to create a higher-lower guessing game on Android with Android Studio. In a higher-lower guessing game, the computer will come up with a number between 1 and 1000. The player must then continue to guess numbers until the player guesses the correct number. For every guess, the computer will either say too high or too low, and then ask for another input. At the end of the game, the number is revealed along with the number of guesses it took to get the correct number. First, we are going to create the user interface of our higher-lower guessing game for Android. The user interface will consist of one text view to display a message to the user, an edit text to let the user to enter a number, and a button to let the user validating his number. Then we make some customizations on the views. For example, we specify that the user will enter numbers on the edit text with the input type attribute set to number. Note also that we add some strings label with a start message and too high or too low messages. Okay, we can see a preview of the user interface. We add the string label in the strings.xml file. We add a start message label and too high and too low. Now it's time to write the Java code of the main activity. In the main activity, we'll write the logic of our higher-lower game. The main activity will implement the onClick listener to manage the user's click on the button. We define some properties like the max number to guess, the random object used to generate a new number, we define properties for the views references, for the text view, the edit text, and the button. In the onCreate method, we get references of the views, and we install a click listener on the validate button. And we call the new game method to start a new game. In the onClick method, if the user clicks on the validate button, we call the validate method. We define the validate method. First, we get the number entered by the user in the edit text. We increment the number of tries. If the number entered is equal to the number to guess, we display a congratulations message to the user and we start a new game. If the number entered is higher, we display a too high message on the screen. And if the number entered is lower, we display a too low message on the screen. And finally, we write the new game method. First, we generate a number to find between 1 and 1000 by using the next int method of the random object created previously. Then we display the start message on the message text view and we clear the edit text. And finally, we set to 0 the number tries variable. To try our higher-lower guessing game, we click on the Run button on Android Studio. We choose the target, the emulator, and we wait during the Gradle build. It can take some time. OK, the APK is installing. The activity is launched, and we can play to our higher-lower guessing game. We try to guess a number between 1 and 1000 by using a dichotomy strategy. We enter 500, it's too high, so we enter 250. Validate. It's too high. We enter 125. Validate. It's too low. We enter 200. It's too low. We enter 225. It's too high. So we enter 212. It's too low. We enter 219. It's too high. Too low. Too high. So we enter the correct number, 216. Validate. Great. We found the number in 10 tries. Our game works great. That's all for that tutorial. To discover more tutorials on Android development, don't hesitate to subscribe to the S Sorel channel. If you want to contribute to the channel, don't hesitate to send me your proposals and ideas for new tutorials.